Hi everyone, greetings from our Pennsylvania garden. It's early September and I just want to give you guys a quick garden update so you can see what we've been growing in the garden, what we've been picking. It's been a really great year for the garden. We've had enough rain, we haven't had to water very often, even though it's been hot. The garden's really produced a lot of different crops and I'm excited to show you. So as you can see, we've been getting a lot of raspberries. They started coming in early in the season, the end of June to July, and they've continued to produce over the summer. Pretty soon they'll start to stop as we move into fall. Now on to the peach trees. If you remember, I bought these mesh bags off Amazon and I was hoping that would slow down the squirrels. Well, wouldn't you know, they chewed right through all the bags and they pretty much got every peach. I think we got 2 peaches. So the squirrels around here are very well fed. Our potted citrus plants are doing really well. We have 3 lemons set. They look like limes because they're still green, but they'll eventually ripen and turn into lemons. And then we'll also have some small oranges that have set. So this is our grapevine, and the mesh bags from Amazon were super effective on the grapes. They kept the lantern flies away from the grapes. They kept birds away from the grapes. The squirrels didn't go for the grapes. So all of our grapes made it in these bags. So I'm just going to cut the fruit out and we're going to enjoy the grapes. The garden's a little bit messy and overgrown, but this tends to happen as we get towards the end of the season. I'm not going to spend too much time weeding it at this point. So as you can see, we've been enjoying lots of tomatoes and peppers and squash and eggplant, cucumbers. We've been able to share some with our family and friends, which is great. Another really neat thing we grew for the first time are decorative gourds and pumpkins. And they've just produced a lot of really interesting, unique, almost every gourd looks different from the other one. So that'll be really nice to display as we get closer to fall and Halloween. Thank you so much for watching our garden update. Have a great day.